on the hunt for a new construction home here in Las Vegas, then continue watching. Today's property walkthrough is going to be at the Heartland Manor in North Las Vegas. These homes are going to be built by DR Horton. Now let's get started. All right guys, welcome to Heartland Manor. This is plan 2538. This is a 2,538 square foot home. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 bath, and 3-car garage. Base price starts off at $566,990. The average lot size here in this community is 7,000 to about 8,000 square feet. The HOA for this community is $112 a month. That's a total of $77 for their sub-master plan and also a $35 for their neighborhood supplemental plan fee. There's SIDS and LIDs, that's a total of $168 a month, which is billed every 6 months, a total of $1,009, which comes out to about a little bit over $21,500 total. This is also a gated community. This home has 3 different elevations that you can choose from, okay? There's 3 different plans for this community, and there's gonna be 2 model homes. There's also 60 homes in this community, 5 already have sold. So with DR Horton, the desert landscaping is going to be included. You have the pavers on the driveway, and you also have pavers on the walkthrough areas. Okay, this is going to be your 3-car garage right here, 2 right here, and 1 right here. Now let's walk in. So the good thing about DR Horton is that they do include the doorbell cam, which is a smart home system. They will have also the smart keypad as well. So this is a single-story home. What you see here is pretty much what you're gonna get. You're gonna get these 12 by 24 tiles. You'll have the carpet in the room. These are 9-foot ceilings, okay? You're not gonna get the double accent right there. It'll come with just this neutral tone, which is like a light tannish gray. So we're gonna enter on the right side of the house. This is your first bedroom. Okay. You have this big window that overlooks the front yard. And then to the right, you'll have a full bath. You have your single sink, granite countertops, the white shaker cabinets, and the stainless steel bars. You get a shower tub combo, or the shower backsplash is prefabricated. You also get that window right there above. Then this would be your second bedroom. If you guys like this style, leave that comment below. And if this is your first time on the channel, you want to know everything there is about new build homes in Las Vegas, then subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you're going to be the first ones to learn about any new builds and the current market in Las Vegas. All right, so as we continue right here, this door is going to be your garage, but that's currently the office right now. For this specific model, for this builder, normally they would include the washer dryer, but for these homes in the Heartland Manor, they won't be including the washer dryer, guys. So just keep that in mind. Your stacked shelving storage. And let's walk into the living room. All right, so we'll save that for last. That's gonna be your another bedroom, and right here is your coat closet with your panel box for your modems and your internet. To the right is your kitchen. You get a 9x5 island. Okay, you have this counter space right here with the cabinets. So you're gonna get the white shaker cabinets, or you have the option to get the gray depending on what's available at the time. Okay, you won't get this backsplash. That's just an upgrade. Okay, so washer, dryer, fridge not included for these homes. This is your pantry. It's a very large pantry, guys. And on this island right here, you will get your dishwasher. You get this stainless steel deep sink, you get the faucet, and then obviously you get the osmosis system. Now on this side, The brand that they chose is the Whirlpool. So you get the microwave, you'll get the stovetop, and obviously the oven. And right here is the dining area. This is a large and spacious dining area, guys. What do you guys think? I'm gonna give you guys a look from this corner. So you can see right here. And then right behind me, you have a large window to see the backyard. Check out how spacious this lot is. It's a pretty deep lot. Got a lot of room. You can add a pool if you decide to, but I'll give you guys a look of that later. Here's another view from this corner. Okay, this is the primary bedroom. Primary bedroom feels so big. Okay. Here's another large window to see your backyard. We'll go out there in a moment, but let's stay in here, feeling the AC. So you will get the pre-wired for your fan. Not sure if that fan's gonna be included. And look at this primary bathroom, guys. So to the right, you get 2 walk-in closets. So a his and a hers. That's something different. And then your toilet's gonna be right here. It's a pretty big toilet room. And then you have your walk-in shower. This is a walk-in stand-up shower that's prefabricated. You do get a bench right there, and you get a separate bathtub included with the backsplash. Very nicely done. And you get your dual sinks. All right, what do you guys think? By the way, guys, we get calls and texts every single day from people just like you who are looking to move to Las Vegas. So whether you're looking to move in 7 days or 3 months, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, or schedule a Zoom call with us. And we're happy to help make your move smooth to Las Vegas, okay? And then let's go check out the last bedroom. And really quick, guys, I'd like to remind you that if you find value and enjoy this home tour, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming home tour videos. All right, so let's get back to the tour. Here's a full bath. You have the stand-up shower, which is also the prefabricated with the bench. Okay, you got a single sink right here. And this is your last bedroom. So that's pretty neat. You have a bedroom that's attached with your bathroom. Okay, and let's go to the backyard. Show you guys what's out there. All right, guys, and by the way, if you guys are planning on coming to any of these new community builds, make sure you guys bring representation with you. You always want to have representation, a realtor that you can trust. All right, so I'm gonna leave my information below. That way you guys can give me a call and I'll be happy to represent you. All right, so this is the covered patio. You'll get this. More than likely, these pavers will only get up to here at the edge that they'll provide. You'll have to do the backyard within a year. Okay, look how large this lot is. And pull the camera above so you guys can see what it looks like. Okay, that is your view in this neighborhood. And this is the right side, actually the left side of the house. You have a side gate over there, but the AC unit's right there blocking it. So that's what it looks like. And then I'm gonna show you guys what this looked like from this corner. So you guys can see what the exterior of the house looks like from the backyard. So you have a pretty large covered area that you guys can obviously entertain guests and your family. And right here is the right side of the house. This is where the other AC unit is and the side gate. All right, guys, what do you guys think? Leave me a comment below if you guys like this floor plan. And I'm gonna leave the card above so you guys can check out the other floor plan in this community. If this floor plan is something that you're interested in seeing, let me know. Give me a call, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on any new build community tours that I do here in Las Vegas. All right, I'll see you guys on the next one.